everyone, Chef Anna here. We're back again with another Harvest of the Month Texas Tuesday for October. Today we're going to be showing you a recipe for some sweet and spicy Texas zucchini with some Texas zucchini and a little Asian flair. Before we get started, let's take a look at our ingredients. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we need to make sure that we have our oven preheated to 375 degrees. We've got our zucchini here. We're going to toss in our oil and just give that a little mix to kind of coat our zucchini. And then after we've done that, we're going to take that and transfer it over to our sheet pan here. You can use, I like to use parchment because there's less mess that way, but you can also just spray your pan down. And we're just going to kind of spread that out evenly. Some of these like to get stuck together because of the oil, so. Alright, and once we get these spread out, we're going to pop those in the oven at 375 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes until they're nice and tender and start to turn a little brown on the top. We'll see you back in a few minutes. While those zucchini are roasting in the oven, let's take a look at some of the health benefits of these Texas beauties. They're rich in vitamins and minerals, high in antioxidants like carotenoids that benefit your eyes, skin, and heart. They contain soluble and insoluble fiber, which promotes good digestion and overall gut health. And with only 3 grams of carbs per cup, zucchini also provides a great low-carb alternative for things like pasta. Alright, so we've got our zucchini nice and roasted. Another option for this is always you can steam your zucchini if you'd like. I just prefer it roasted for this. And then we're just going to kind of toss all of our zucchini into our bowl here. That in there. We're going to toss in our sweet Thai chili sauce. You can get this in the Asian food section at your grocery store. It's pretty common. We're going to add in our garlic powder here. Our soy sauce, low sodium soy sauce. And then this is where you can add in your red pepper flakes. If you like it really spicy, you can add the whole teaspoon in there, or you can do half a teaspoon. It kind of depends on just what you like. And then we're going to toss all that together. So make sure to coat all of the zucchini with your sweet sauce there. And take that off. And there we have it, our sweet and spicy Texas zucchini. We hope you enjoyed this Texas Tuesday Harvest of the Month, and you continue to fuel up your body so you can fill up your mind. See you next time.